Hello students, today we're going to be learning about the three states of matter. There's solids, liquids, and gas. Matter is all around you, every day. It is all over the universe. The most common are solids, liquids, and gases. Anything that has mass is considered matter. Solids. Solids are usually hard because their molecules are close together. Solids can be made up of many things. Solids like their shape. Rocks are solids, and bricks are solids. Solids hold their own shape. This is an example of solids. Solids are linked together in rows and columns. They are linked together so they do not break apart. A liquid. A liquid will fill up the shape of their container with the help of gravity. Liquids are hard to compress or force into a smaller place. These are all forms of liquid. Water, milk, juice are all liquids. This is what liquids look like. Molecules in a liquid want to stick together, but the arrows show that they are moving. They move very slowly. Liquids are not in rows and columns, but they move within their container. Liquids will take the shape of their container. For example, a swimming pool. If you take a cup and scoop water in from a pool, only a little water will go in the cup, not the whole pool. A gas. Gases can completely fill a container of any size or shape, as long as there is not an opening. Gases are sometimes called vapor. A helium balloon is filled with gas. When you open a can of soda, you release compressed gas. This is an example of what gases look like. Matter in a gas moves quickly and looks for an escape if there is an opening. A good example is think of a balloon. Popping a hole in a balloon, the air tries to escape. And if the air escapes from the balloon, then the balloon deflates because all of the matter has left. This is a chart of each state, particle arrangement, and particle movement. A solid sticks together. They are tightly packed, and they can jiggle, but they do not move from place to place. A solid does not break. The liquid state is close together, but there is no arrangement. They move around and they slide past each other, but they move very slowly. And a gas is separated, but no arrangement. They move freely and very quickly. Changing state. There are solids, liquids, and gases. A solid state goes into a liquid state, and that's called melting. Think of an ice cube, and leaving an ice cube out for too long turns into a liquid. A liquid can turn into a gas, and that's called evaporating. Evaporating is when it disappears. A gas turns into a liquid, which is condensation. And a liquid can turn into a solid, which is called freezing. Think of putting water in a freezer. It turns into an ice cube. But solids can also go into gases, which that means it's going to be adding heat. And when a gas goes to a liquid to a solid, that means it is losing heat. Thanks, boys and girls.